No, it is a big deal for UK banking. I think it's, to your question, is there sort of kind of more sort of, contagion or anything like that as a result? That doesn't seem to be the case. Very idiosyncratic things were happening at Metro Bank. There's various reasons investors had kind of been spooked over the previous month or so. And I think, what we are seeing is a new Metro Bank emergence. Now Galinsky has will have a 53% stake. That's up from about 9%. And it's interesting that really, over the weekend, there's all sorts of sort of rumours and stories flying around. Might there be a white knight? Ultimately, what happened is the existing investors were, effectively made the decision they will go in, retain some kind of control, etc., and put a lot of more money in the bank.
So what does this mean for Metro going forward? Do we have a blueprint of how it could change after that lifeline?
So in the statement that they released last night and then updated today, all the messaging was like, we've been in the bank for 3 years, we sort of see the strategy working, now we've got a bit of breathing space. So I don't personally see any immediate changes. But what is interesting is, why is Metro Bank different? It's because of that big branch network, which is very glitzy, very expensive to run. And I guess that is one question, is do they try and save costs somewhere by perhaps sort of rowing back on the free dog biscuits, for example, that they give out there?
Tom, overall, what was the most surprising thing, actually, in how it unfolded so far? It's been, again, a pretty tumultuous 7 days for them.
Yeah, exactly. I kind of jinxed myself on Friday. I was telling people, I don't think anything will happen this weekend. And then, by Saturday, I realised the error of my ways.
That's a rookie mistake.
Yeah, I know. It was silly. I think in part, maybe the speed. And for me, the most fascinating thing is all this current episode really came from the PRA telling the bank, we're not going to, let you use your internal modelling. And it's just such an intriguing situation because obviously you've got the PRA saying that for good reason, but at the same time, they don't want a bank like Metro to hit trouble. So they were in a kind of intriguing situation there. There's that dynamic. What did they want to see in this situation? And then, of course, huge amounts of new money going in. Shareholders, bondholders reacting positively today.
Yeah.
But, what does the future hold? And that's an open question after a couple of years.